explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 20. 20 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is writing a dialogue, right? So let us begin with the chapter and see कि dialogues क्या हैं, कैसे हम इन्हें लिख सकते हैं, right? A dialogue means a talk between two people. डायलॉग का मतलब होता है दो लोगों के बीच में बातचीत होना. Dialogue writing is very useful form of composition. कि डायलॉग राइटिंग जो है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा यूजफुल फॉर्म है कॉम्पोजिशन का, राइट? सो लेट अस स्टडी few points on how to develop a dialogue. तो जल्दी से कुछ पॉइंट्स पढ़ते हैं कि हम डायलॉग्स कैसे लिख सकते हैं, कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. थिंक ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट एंड राइट डाउन द पॉइंट्स. कि आपको सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सोचना है, जो टॉपिक आपको दिया गया है उसके बारे में आप सोचेंगे, तब आप उन पॉइंट्स को लिख लेंगे. अरेंज द आइडियाज इन अ लॉजिकल ऑर्डर. फिर आप इन आइडियाज को एक लॉजिकल ऑर्डर में फ्रेम करेंगे. बीइंग इमेजिनेटिव is essential to express your views. कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा imaginative होना पड़ेगा इस चीज़ के लिए अगर आपको अपने views express करने हैं, right? हर किसी के पास imagination skills नहीं होती हैं. So if you want to write these dialogues, you need to improve your imagination skills. Your characters must sound real. कि जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो बिल्कुल रियल लगने चाहिए. रीड द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डायलॉग्स केयरफुली. अब जल्दी से इन एग्जाम्पल्स को ध्यान से पढ़ते हैं जिसमें डायलॉग्स हमें दिए गए हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज अ डायलॉग बिटवीन two boys discussing their hobbies. तो ये दो लड़कों के बीच के डायलॉग्स हैं जिसमें वो दोनों अपनी हॉबीज को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. That is, Raj, guess what Ravi, my uncle, is on a business trip to Japan. He has sent me a letter with some Japanese stamps in it. He knows that I collect stamps. Ravi says, wow, these are good. Are you going to paste them in your album? Raj, of course. Have you seen my collection? Here is the album. See it, Ravi. But Raj, what is the use of stamp collection? Raj, well, you get to learn a lot about other countries and money. Ravi, that sounds interesting. Although I love adventure, especially rock climbing and exploring. Raj, that is quite exciting. But you bet it can get dangerous sometimes. Ravi, it is Raj, but then no pain, no gain, right? So you saw how naturally, how imaginatively the dialogues are being written, right? The conversation is looking too real between these two boys. Correct? Okay, we have another example, which is a dialogue between two friends. अब ये जो डायलॉग्स हैं ये दो फ्रेंड्स के बीच में है. So, Sophia, hello Mary, how are you? Mary, hi Sophia, I am okay, but my granny is not well. She has been hospitalized since last night. Sophia, that's very sad. What happened to her suddenly? I met her 3 days ago and she was sounding fine. Mary, yeah, she was okay. But yesterday evening, her fever rose drastically and she fainted. We immediately shifted her to the hospital. Sophia, oh, I see. How is she now? Mary, now her fever has come down, but she is having severe stomachache. Doctors are suspecting typhoid. Sophia, that's really alarming. Anyways, in case you need any help of mine, I am always ready. Don't hesitate. Mary, oh, thanks, Sophia. I will call you later. Bye. Right? So you saw how easily we have framed the dialogues, right? After that, you can see we have a lot more questions for you where you can frame the dialogues by yourself. Then we have some situations जिस पे आप dialogues लिख सकते हैं, right? So that you can build up your imaginary skills and improve your writing skills as well. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.